It's recording. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy way of making a air cooler, portable and homemade. Okay, so all I did, I bought this foam box. This is an ice box made of foam, very easy, very cheap. I bought it $2.50 and it has a, you see, from 99 cents. I bought that $2.50. That's it. And then I have this fan at home that I use it. I mean, I didn't buy it, we have it. But the problem with this fan is when it is hot, it only blows hot air, So, but what we need at this weather? Cold air. So I'm using this. What I did, I measured it, the size of this fan. Okay, I measured it here. I made a mark, and very easily I cut it by this knife pocket. Okay, I cut it all around it. All right, and then after I do that, all I have to do, I put this fan here. Okay, so it will go inside. This fan will be attached to this. And then inside the box, I am gonna put the 2 1 gallon is enough. I already measured it, is enough for 2 1 gallon frozen water. So I'm planning to put a 2 1 gallon frozen 1 gallon of water in the freezer, so it become frozen. Then I put it here inside this. Is inside this one here, one here. And then I'm gonna also make some hole here. I will do it later, I'll show you. And that's it. You just put the lid and then you turn on the fan. Okay, and because the inside of this is very cold, it blow the cold air from this side. That's it. It's as simple as this. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll show you again. All right, okay, bye. Okay, now you can see that is made of, just like I said. I attach this to this in from inside. I attach my fan. I made a hole. I attach the fan very easy. Just insert it. And then here also I made a one hole. And I put this. This is like a coffee cup. I put here. You don't have to. You can. I mean, if you don't want. But anyway. And all I have to do now. This is the 2 gallon of water. Put it in the freezer last night and now it's all frozen. So I put it here. Put it here. Inside this. And I put a lid. All I have to do now, turn on the fan. Okay. You can see that is the outside look, and then here is blowing a very cold air. And that's it. as simple as this is, and you cannot expect this to cool your own house, of course, but if you are close to it, it gets really cold. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.